So she took over his, and then I gave him a new one, and she took over that one. But he's been going through one of these in just a matter of hours. If he sees my cell phone, he'll come to my cell phone. I have to be careful. He's worried because she wants both. She had 1 foot on one and 1 foot on the other one. She's so territorial. He's really fast. She picks him up and runs. She'll pull a ball out and she'll run with it. I don't know how she climbs the side of the cage with one of them. I'm not interfering. I'm not interfering. I'm not helping you anymore. You're starting to bite me. No, you can't have my phone. What do you think about that? Uh-oh, no. Oh, there she is. Hello, pretty girl. Yeah, I got my first nibble from you today. You did not like me moving your house. I'm sorry. Peekaboo. No, he's going back in.